I love my boat because it's a total different of a system. I have many space, many comfortable zone, and the most important, I have the pizza corner. This boat we transport with 12 guests in daily use, but it's a 9th guest for sleeping. Mostly now we sail to Naples in Maranistab, but we stop to Sardinia, to Pontine Island, and we go back to Maranistab. The Amalfi Coast is really special. Every people come from every part of the world. We want to go to Amalfi for visit Amalfi. Positano is really lovely of Capri Island. When you stay in Amalfi, is a smell of the lemon fresh because it's a very popular. Everywhere you see the lemon.
Get in touch with us at DMA Yachting. Inquire now. We'd love to help.